Hello, good morning, good morning. This is breakfast time. This is my breakfast food. Reheat rice and chicken, and also I have cooked cucumber and Chinese pizza and fresh Chinese pizza and orange and sweet dates and hot drink. That's my breakfast foods, mga idol. Let's eat, mga idol. A little bit hot. Actually, before I drink hot. Wow. Fresh orange and Chinese pizza. Chinese pizza. Mm. Orange. Hmm? Maanamis-namis.